Welcome to the short series of mini tips leading up to your driving test. So this final video on the mini series is about you staying focused on your driving test. It's as simple as that. Stay focused. You're there to the job, which is drive safely and pass that driving test. And that's what's the main thing is you've had all these lessons over the last few months and your objective is to pass, not to get distracted. So when you're driving to that test centre with your instructor or with your member of family, you're going to be confronted straight away with distractions. You could be in a queue of learner cars in front of you. They're all waiting to park up. Or you could be at the front of the queue and learner cars are behind you, watching you park up. Don't worry about them watching you. You stay focused about reversing it into a space or driving into a space, whichever it does in that area. What you've got to remember also is after you've parked up and you're walking into the waiting room and you sat there, stay focused about you wanting to drive. Don't kind of come out of it, start watching everyone else getting nervous and tapping their feet or looking like they're petrified. Focus on your driving, about what you're going to do, what the examiner's going to expect you to do. When the examiner calls your name out at the beginning, you're going to sign the sheet to say you are who you are, where he checks your license. When you're outside, they're going to chat to you. By all means, chat to them. But remember, don't get too chatty because you're there to drive. When you're in the car at the beginning and you start to drive off, remember, focus on driving off safely. Look round. Don't suddenly shoot off. The first few minutes, you're going to feel a little bit nervous, but try and focus about driving. Once you're driving on the driving test, the nerves should disappear. Remember, focus. If you make a mistake, don't get distracted by it. Concentrate on your driving. You can't change that mistake. So if you miss a mirror or a signal, you can't change what's happened, but you can drive safely afterwards. Okay? When you get back to test centre and you're driving into the test centre, the amount of people who make mistakes at the end because they rush in and they're not expecting to slow down because they come around the corner, or if there's a bend in the test centre, they could be coming around the corner, could be a parked car there, the queue of cars. Or it could be you get to test centre and you're about to stop in a parking space. Secure the car properly at the end, handbrake, neutral, before you turn the engine off. At that point, when it's completely finished, that's when the test ends. Okay? Good luck with the driving test. And I'm hoping this mini-series is helping you stay focused about your driving. I hope you pass, and all the best.